Hey everyone, in today's session we're going to cover terminal templates. Terminal templates are here to help you when you set up a merchant to quickly create as many terminals as you like in one shot instead of doing the repeated task of adding them one by one. To go to terminal templates, first let's go to Accounts, Debit Companies, Terminal Templates. This will first of all shows you the list of available templates that you have, and you can configure and add additional terminals underneath them. For example, let's take a euro-based configuration. By expanding it, we'll see the list of MIDs that are already associated. So we'll have Visa Euro to Euro goes to Global Visa, MasterCard Euro to Euro, etc., and Open Banking. We did the same for both USD-based configuration, BillDesk, which is an Indian provider configuration, Mexico and Argentina. Once those terminal templates have been created, we can go under Accounts, Merchants, and configure, and as an example, one of the merchants and assign the terminals to. Let's take, for example, ElmoBiz. Choosing the merchants, we will load the merchant profile and we'll go straight into the Terminals tab. Currently, we can see that this specific merchant doesn't have any terminals configured. We can simply choose either to add one by one or to add from a template, and we'll do just that. A modal dialog will appear, which allows us to choose which one of the templates we want to configure. So as we saw, we have the Euro-based configuration, USD, and everything else we saw on the list. For that matter, let's add the Euro configuration. You'll notice that in the previous templates, we already had the fees and everything pre-configured. So we can see here that eMerchant Pay as the MIDs and Vault for Open Banking. And now let's add the USD configuration as well. Simply repeating the same task of opening the templates, choosing the USD configuration, clicking Add, which will add us the additional 3 terminals into the merchant configuration. And that is it. We're done. We've just configured 6 terminals for the merchant to support both Visa, MasterCard, and Open Banking for both Euro and USD. Thank you, and I hope you enjoyed the next sessions when we're going to talk about how to set up risk rules and additional merchant configuration. Thank you.